Hi, everybody. It's Mr. Samuelis again. Alright, it's come to my attention that the sound of my voice makes people physically ill. To start watching a movie and not be able to get through 5 seconds of it. It does concern me, and I mean that from the bottom of my cold, black, dead heart. So, to appease those students, I decided to do these next questions in different voices so that you don't necessarily have to hear my voice, and you can pretend you're being taught by different people. So here we go.
This first one, you need to take the square root of both sides. And then when that happens, you get the secant of x equals plus minus 2. See, when you square root both sides, you need a plus minus on that. Please don't make that mistake. The next thing you need to do, this is over 1, by the way. And this is r, and this is x, because secant of x, secant is r over x as a ratio. So, there's directions up here. I gotta make sure I do those. So, exact radians, and all of them mean I need that little thing that shows all the answers with that little n on there. So, what are these? This is x1, whose opposite? Well, wrong. Y is root 3. That's the one. So this is 60. 60 in all 4 quadrants because it's plus minus. So what are those? Well, those are pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and 5 pi over 3. I put a 6 there. Oh my gosh, that was a mistake. Okay, now, how far are these away? How far are these away? Those are 180 away, but this is the same distance as that to that. Wait, is it? No, that's pi over 3. And then that's 2 pi. No. So this is what you can do. You can do pi over 3 plus pi n. And that gets these 2 answers. And then you can do 2 pi over 3 plus pi n, because that gives you the other 2 answers from here to here. Okay? This one's done. Oh, for the love of dog.
For this next one, I'll pretend I'm like a slow, girl. Like this is Mrs. Samuelis. Here we go. Hi, class. This is how you do this one. You subtract the 4 cosine x from both sides. And then you take out a cosine x. And you're left with cosine x minus 4. And that equals 0. And then you set these equal to 0 using the 0 product property. Oh no, this is bigger. Sorry, class, just like Mr. Samuelis, sometimes I cough uncontrollably. Oh no, that's an x value that's bigger than an r. That's not possible. So you don't have to worry about answers from that. This one has an x value of 0 and an r of 1. And that could be plus minus 1. So where do you get an x value of 0? You get it at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Oh, because you could have the -1 as well. Oh, but we're going to do all answers, and these are all pi away, so we can do that. For this section, this will be the Star Wars section. For those that, I'm sure nobody hates when I talk about Star Wars, so there can't be any student that is bothered by that. So this first one will be as if Yoda was teaching the class. Help you, I will. Find your math answers. First, add 1 you must. Then, to divide by you will. Interesting. Inverse sign you must. To get answers you will. And then, where must 1 over 2 create an angle? That angles must be or be must. Sorry, I made a mistake there. 30 and 150. Now, must you add 360 because more answers you will get? No. Multiply by 2 you will, and you will see that these are the answers you must have. Now, how far are the answers away? We have not discussed that yet. So what I should understand is the restrictions. Wrong! The how many answers you get? We would add 360, would we not? And the same thing with this one. We would add 360. And so when I multiply by 2 the 30, I must multiply this 360 by 2 as well. So we have the answer 60 plus 720 and 300 plus 720n. Wait a minute. Isn't 720 just the same as 360 twice? Why did I do that? I do not know. So we can go back and say 360n is enough. Wrong again I was. I was right time first. Because 360 plus 60 is 420. When I plug 420 in, sine of 420 divided by 2 is sine of 210. Sine of 210 is negative a half. Negative a half times 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1 is not 0. So I was right the first time. Thank you for listening. Me too. And for the last one, we will be doing as if Chewbacca was your teacher. Oh, that was Yoda.